class, this is the lab we will be doing for our introduction to life science, making a lung. Here is a picture of what we'll be replicating. Sure, science textbooks already describe how the human lung works, but as you know, there's nothing quite like a hands-on experience to make science come alive. Let's create a working lung model that fills with air just like the lungs inside of our own chest. Here are the materials that we will need. 2-liter plastic bottle, balloons, trash bag, plastic, rubber band. You'll need your references that I provided you from your book and the flyers and dittos I provided, scissors, marker, masking tape. This is really important. I will have a craft knife at my desk. If you need help cutting your plastic bottle, please raise your hand and I will come around and help you. It might be a little difficult cutting the plastic bottle, but please raise your hand and I will come around and help you. Do not come up to me. Sitting down with your listening ears on, raising your hand is what I need to do for me to help you if you do need help cutting the plastic. All right. Let's discover the function of various parts of the body's respiratory system. These are the steps that we'll be doing. I need you to cut a small starter slit in your bottle. It needs to be 1/4 of the way up from the bottom and parallel to the bottom as well. If you need help cutting into the plastic bottle, please raise your hand. I can come around and help you. Secondly, you also are going to be cutting the plastic trash bag that's provided to you. Okay, it's going to be a circle. As you can see, this is a diagram of what it will look like, a picture. Take your time, okay, and we will do this. All right, continuing on. Using your scissors, you need to cut off the bottom of the plastic bottle, starting at the starter slit that you made. We're going to push the end of the balloon through the mouth of the bottle. We're then going to stretch the mouth of the balloon over the bottle. All right, stretching the mouth, as you can see in the second step here, over it. There are some pictures here at the bottom that you can reference. You're then going to fold the 30-centimeter diameter circle that's from the plastic in half twice. Plastic trash bag. Okay? We're then going to twist about 2.5 centimeters of the folded corner around and secure it with a short piece of masking tape to make a handle. Please look at these pictures below to show you how to do it, as well as I will walk around. Finally, we're going to cover the open bottom of the bottle with the plastic circle so the handle is on the outside of the bottle. Step number 9. We're going to secure the plastic tightly to the bottle with a rubber band. All right, as you can see, here is a diagram and reference to show you what it should look like. All right, there needs to be some slack in the plastic. The rubber band may need to be doubled if you're using a smaller plastic bottle, so at your discretion. All right, we'll come around and take a look and see how you're doing. All right, finally, once you've completed this, and I know it's going to take a while, but I will walk around like I said, we're going to observe. All right, I want you to gently push and pull the handle to move the plastic in and out. Squeeze type thing. What do you observe? All right? You're going to hold the bottle so the mouth is near your cheek, and you're going to move the surface of the plastic in and out. Squeeze it. What do you feel? What happens to the balloon as the plastic moves in and out? We're going to be discussing this. Okay, finally, I'm hoping that you realize that the balloon represents the lung. Okay, the bottle represents the chest cavity. And finally, I'm hoping that you're putting this together. The plastic represents the diaphragm.